Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make guacamole. This is my recipe, my version of it. You can give it a try and see how you like it. So what I've done is I have taken half an avocado and I've used a ripe avocado. So in ripe also you get different variants. I am just removing the skin, the little skin that's there on it, and I'll just do this slits with a knife like cubes, and I'm gonna scoop this all out. So what I was telling you guys is about the kind of avocados you get. So there are avocados which are completely ripe, like very mushy, so you can use that if you want a buttery texture. And your this is ripe, but it will have, I want it to be chunky, so this is the kind of avocado that I would want to use. The sign that avocado is ripe is that once I scoop that out, there will be nothing left on the skin, so it scoops out really easily. So if you see the skin, now I'm going to keep that aside. I'll take half an onion and I'm going to chop that up. I've taken a small onion uh, because it was just half an avocado, so you can increase the measurements if you increase the quantity of avocado. So you just chop that up. Now I've taken half a tomato and I will chop this also. So once it is chopped, you can then mash the avocado. So if you can see, I'm just mashing that all up. And also I would like to tell you, like I said before, I'm keeping few chunks, so it completely depends on how you like it to be. And avocado is also called as butter fruit because of its buttery texture. And I have just mashed this all up. Now I'm gonna add the onions and tomatoes to this mixture. As you can see, now I am doing that. And also there are different variants to this recipe. People do uh, use ingredients as they like, but this is my version of it, and trust me guys, it turns out to be really good. So I have added all the onions and tomatoes that I had chopped. Now comes to lemon. Again, the quantity of lemon juice depends on how tangy you want it to be. I like it to be little extra tangy, so I put more of lemon juice. But it completely depends. Uh, if you can even skip this if you don't want it to be tangy. So now I'm gonna mix this all up. Now what I'm doing here is I'm gonna add salt and pepper. It is better if you have freshly grounded pepper. You can also, sometimes there are times when I add chili flakes to it instead of pepper. So it completely depends on how you want your guacamole to be, or the ingredients that you like in it. So now I'm going to mix that all up. Now the main ingredient that I feel is, olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is what I'm using here. You can skip this step if you do not have olive oil. So it depends on the availability, but what olive oil does is it enhances the flavor of the entire dish, and it just makes it more flavorful. So, and also it is a healthy, olive oil is really healthy stuff, so you can do that, you can add that, and you have to just mix that all up, and our guacamole is ready. You can enjoy it with toasted bread. You can also use it as dip. You can add it to your rolls. So avocado does not have a very specific taste. It is just buttery, but it completely depends on how you use that, use it to make a dish, and it really brings out the best flavors. So I think guacamole is one of the best things that you can make out of avocado, and it is a very nutritious and delicious dish to have. And just let me know how you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys.